Prepare to be amazed. Samsung is reportedly gearing up to unveil the Galaxy S26 Edge, the sequel to its ultra-thin sensation, the Galaxy S25 Edge. The original model stunned tech enthusiasts with its sleek form factor and top-tier features. Now, whispers suggest Samsung is ready to raise the bar once again. But here's where it gets controversial. The Galaxy S26 Edge might replace the Galaxy S Plus model in Samsung's lineup. Yes, you read that right. And this is the part most people miss. The rumored iPhone 17 Air could be the fiercest rival yet for Samsung's ultra-thin marvel. Let's dive into the juicy details and explore what the future holds for Samsung's flagship phone lineup. Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, the new kid on the block. The Galaxy S25 Edge made waves as a fresh addition to the Galaxy S series, blending a thin and light design with premium specs. Its successor, the Galaxy S26 Edge, is poised to take center stage. Reports suggest it might dethrone the Galaxy S Plus, a long-standing member of Samsung's flagship family. This move could make sense, considering the Galaxy S25 Edge and Galaxy S25 Plus share a 6.7-inch display and a similar price tag, albeit with a $100 difference. The Edge's thinner design and extra premium features could win over Plus customers craving a large screen. Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, release date, price, and design. Anticipating the Galaxy S26 Edge's arrival, we might see it unveiled alongside other Galaxy S26 models, marking a shift from the Galaxy S25 Edge's delayed release. If history repeats itself, expect the Galaxy S26 Edge to hit shelves by early February. Pricing remains a mystery, but the Galaxy S25 Edge's $1,099 starting price could serve as a benchmark. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Edge's 5.8mm thickness was impressive, but Samsung aims higher. Leaks hint at a 5.5mm thin frame for the Galaxy S26 Edge, potentially outshining the iPhone 17 Air's rumored 5.65mm profile. However, it won't match the Galaxy Z Fold 7's unfolded slimness. The 6.7-inch display is expected to stay, boasting a peak brightness of 1,997 nits. Samsung might also introduce anti-reflective glass to reduce glare, a feature rumored for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, camera and performance. Camera enthusiasts, rejoice! The Galaxy S25 Edge's 200-megapixel main sensor, borrowed from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, might return. Rumors suggest Samsung could enhance the aperture for better low-light performance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to receive this upgrade, so the Edge could follow suit. The dual-lens setup could remain, prioritizing thinness over a telephoto lens. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon versus Exynos debate continues. Leaked Geekbench results indicate the Galaxy S26 Edge might run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM. This could translate into significant performance boosts over the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, software and AI. AI features will likely play a significant role in the Galaxy S26 series, with Samsung exploring collaborations with various AI service providers. The Galaxy S25 Edge supported AI capabilities introduced with the Galaxy S25 series, and the trend is expected to continue. Samsung's push into AI-powered features could expand with the S26 models. Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, battery life and charging. Battery life was a weak spot for the Galaxy S25 Edge due to its smaller battery size. However, the Galaxy S26 Edge might address this concern with a reported 4,200 mAh battery, up from the 3,900 mAh in the current model. Combined with potential power efficiency gains from the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the Galaxy S26 Edge could offer improved stamina. Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, what lies ahead? With time on our side, we anticipate more Galaxy S26 Edge rumors to surface. From a thinner design to a larger battery, the signs are promising. Samsung appears determined to innovate further in the ultra-thin phone category. Stay tuned for updates and get ready to witness Samsung's next big move in the smartphone arena. Curious to know more? Share your thoughts on the Galaxy S26 Edge's potential impact on Samsung's lineup. Will it successfully replace the Galaxy S Plus model? How do you think it stacks up against the rumored iPhone 17 Air? Join the conversation below.